Patrick's Garage.
Hi
Hi guys.
guys.
Hi Patrick. Today.
Here we go. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Today, let's talking about Patrick's car collection and our first car. You know how we called this? This color. Which color you
Mustang.
prefer? Mustang. Yes, this is Mustang. Two-doors car with trunk. We can't open trunk. We can't open hood. And we only can guess what under the trunk. 6 cylinders engine, maybe V6 or maybe V8. I don't know exactly. Okay, what do you think about this color?
It's blue, nice color for car.
Yes, exactly. And this is a rear wheel drive. This motor for the rear wheels. Okay, and the next one. This is gift from your grandmother. You remember?
Yes. From Deutschland.
From Deutschland, yes. And to be exact, where she bought this car?
Berlin.
Berlin, yes. Here we see this sticker, so we can remember from where this car was. And we know these simple, also two-door cars. Trunk here, hood here. We can't open hood, but we know that under the hood only two-cylinder engine. Simple engine, two-stroke. I suspect that this engine was two-stroke, and this car was front-wheel drive. But now we see motor here, and we look boxes on the second row of seats, and we know that motor now here in this car model DDR. What means DDR?
Deutsch. Deutsche Democratic Republic. 1989.
In this year, these assembled two Deutschlands, Eastern and Western. These from the East. Eastern German quality was poor quality control in the Eastern Germany, I think. Okay, and the next one. Oh, here is the price. Which price here? You see?
70 euro and 99 cents.
This means 99 cents, 7 euros. Euro. Okay. Not so expensive car, I suspect. And the next one. This is also a gift from my mother, from your grandmother. And this is doggy, fluffy doggy. And bow. This is custom. Bow. This bow from this gift from my mother, from my grandmother. And this is fluffy, very cute doggy. Kelly toy. From LA, from CA, from USA. So cute doggy. And the next one today from our collection, police car. We see this is a Volvo without any motors, engines, not so freely rotates. Okay, this is a hood, we can't open even doors. 6-cylinder, one bank of cylinders, not V6. This is one row of cylinders. 6-cylinder engine in this car was used. Police car, Maybe this was in Sweden. I think this is Swedish car, police car. And can we recognize the next one? This is your Lego. Put here. And this is also Doggy from Pattern. Paw
Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Santa Paws. Now, Paw Patrol was cartoon. What do you prefer watching when you was kid? You remember? Yeah, and we go to this car. Maybe you can say what you can talking about this car. What mark of this car? What manufacturer?
Volvo.
Yes, exactly.
It's your car, but small.
And the same color, the same wheels, but this is toy. Okay, this is our car. What we can say inside: B20 engine, a very reliable car, not so expensive, big longevity. So if you're interested about this car, you can watch my another videos. And what is this man? So fat man. Maybe his digestive system works not so perfectly, so he so big size. And this is man Vietnamese from MCDS McDonald's, I think. Yes, 2002 year. This is Mr.
Smith.
Yes, Mr. Smith from the story about
Peter Pan.
yes, Peter Pan. Okay, we put this here. And this person also from Paw Patrol?
Yes.
Paw Patrol, yes. Wow, that's great. Shooter. And this is Spider Shooter?
No.
No, it's not like all from Spider-Man. This is from Paw Patrol. And very interesting toy magnet here inside, I think, in his head. We can put it. So it should rotate. Magic toy. And this oval. Wow, my favorite. We ordered these from eBay. Yes?
Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
$20, I suspect. $20 with, I can't remember now, but maybe shipping was free. Transformer, police car, and this is also from Cattern,
Yes.
but I can't remember this Cattern. Robots in disguise?
No, it's
Transformers?
yes, but I don't know what.
Series was not under disguise. Okay, let's continue. And I remember where we bought this toy from wood, handmade. Where is this toy from?
Egypt.
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. And this is also from it. This is for a gift from your grandmother also. But this we bought from Granny And price, as I remember, for this toy was $1. Yes, we can buy a lot of them, but we buy the one, and we treasure this toy from, I don't know how called this, wood, sort of wood. I'm not carpenter, but this is their wood. Beautiful toy. I really like this. Froggy. This is my old Froggy. You can show these eyes. Oops. She looking for us with these eyes. And this car, also Deutschland, made in Deutschland, but this is Volkswagen. This is from Western Germany, Deutschland, Eastern Germany, Western Germany. It's now like Korea, North Korea and South Korea, and was also two Germanys, Eastern Germany and
What?
West Germany. Now only Korea separated two countries, for two countries. Okay, always say about countries, and we see this map which rotates. Where is Germany? Germany here. And Korea, North Korea, South Korea, but the Germany as a complete unit now. Okay, that's great. Next car. But this is a really conundrum for me why this Lotus was so expensive. This is small car, but they so expensive. Lotus Europe. Special grader. Tractor. Cabin. Open the window. Yes, and we can put here this simple walker for cleaning snow. Mr. Smith walking as driver for this tractor. And what we forgot, this is also from Paw Patrol, and here's secret button for open their weapons. And we can hide this for their rucksack. This absolutely free wasn't Shell these toys. Who go to the Shell gas stations? And I take this car absolutely free. So that's all for today, I think.
Yes. Thanks for your attention. Bye for now.